Hey guys, how's it going? So this is a very exciting, this is basically a gambling video. This is going to be about earnings for January, let's see, hold on. For January 14th and 15th of 2019. That's right, that's the title of the video. Earnings for January 14th and 15th of 2019. So welcome to my video. So earnings, that's right, earnings is coming, next week is going to be a big week for earnings. Lots of banks, lots of companies, lots of money to be made. Earnings is where it's at if you are playing options or even a trader period. So disclaimer, earnings is gambling. You are gambling on the company. It's like, you know, you're going to it's like an event where you go to the casino, you can make a ton of money or lose money. So whatever you bet, like whatever side you bet, it's like a betting game. So just remember this, that earnings is gambling. It's pure gambling, and you should be careful because you can lose a lot of money. So, but I'm gonna be playing earnings. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'm going to be playing earnings. So, I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm going to play, what I'm going to do, what I'm going to do for call options. All I'm going to do is go over what happened. So, on Monday. Monday is kind of going to be a slow day. Monday, we have Citigroup. We have Citigroup reporting their earnings on Monday. This is a $138 billion company. It tanked with the rest of the market, and now it's recovering. This, I guess you won't be able to find out until Tuesday, but last earnings report that happened October 12th, the stock crashed. A few days, you know, it took a few days, but it went all the way down to $64. You would have made a nice coin if you did a put option on it. Oh, not a nice coin, a decent coin, a decent coin. It has to be a steep slope for you to make a nice coin. So Citigroup is not like a good one, but it does. It is important because Citigroup is kind of considered as a bank, a global financial service company doing business in more than 100 countries. So Citigroup is a bank slash, yeah, it's a bank. It's a bank. It's like the first bank that's reporting. I don't know. Like I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be very volatile. I honestly believe Citibank won't be volatile. Citibank's probably gonna still move the market, but it's a bank, and banks are good indicators for what the rest of the market is gonna be doing the next week and beyond. And then Shaw Cable. Shaw Cable is having its earnings report. You know, you can make nice coin on Shaw's earnings report. Like last earnings report on April 12th, the next day shot up $26 from $24 to $26. You would have made a nice penny, especially if you hold on for a little bit longer, because it went all the way up to $27. But still, you would have made a nice coin if you bought a call option on earnings. Maybe, I don't know, because I've never done with Shaw yet, but I'm assuming if it went from 24 to, you know, 26.42, if you put a call option on it, I'm assuming you're gonna make a nice coin. And then earnings on June 28th, you know, it plummeted the stock. So if you had a put option on it, you would have made okay money. It went from 27, so that's like 2 or 3% drop. So you would have made decent coin off it. This one didn't do very much, but the stock is on a rise right now. So I don't know, and we're kind of in a bear market. I mean, Shaw is a Canadian company. So it could go up to $27 or $28. I don't know. Like, in my opinion, actually, I can't tell you guys my opinion what I'm gonna do because that's for my members. But I'll definitely be making a play on Shaw, right? Definitely. And I'm gonna look at it anyways. I'm gonna look at how if I can do a play on Shaw. Sometimes they don't have options. Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo is on Tuesday, so I guess the end of Tuesday. So Wednesday is when we're gonna see these numbers, but it's gonna be for Tuesday. It could be in the morning or it could be in the evening. I'm not too sure, but it's on Tuesday. And I'm looking, Wells Fargo, you're not going to make too much because if you look at the earnings last time, April 13th, kind of like did nothing. So, I mean, you could make something, I guess, because it did have a bounce eventually. So, and then the earnings on July 13 didn't really do much either. So, yeah, it didn't really do much either. So, we're probably not going to, a lot of people probably going to ignore Wells Fargo. But it's important to just see the earnings. I mean, Wells Fargo did have a good, you could have played some of, like, there was probably some good earnings cards for Wells Fargo, but not really. If you look through our history, there's one right here. This one's a nice one, nice put right here. You know, if you just look through our history, it's, it doesn't really do. Oh, this one's nice. October 14, 2006. If you bought a call option, bam, you would have made. And if you hold that call option, you would have made some nice coin. Yeah. So if you bought it on November 7th, and you had a month call option, damn, you would have made some nice coin. But, that would be able to be reading the future. If you probably want to do a short-term call option on this, you would still make a nice coin right there. So, sometimes you can, but Wells Fargo is probably probably a bank stock a lot of people are going to ignore. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do, actually. I would probably play a put option on it, depending on how. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I might play. I might play it, but maybe not. I don't know. JP Morgan. JP Morgan is I think is a very volatile stock. Yeah. So earnings drop. That's a nice one. Earnings boom. That would have been a nice one. This one was kind of dead. This one would have been a nice one, but it would have to be like a long, like at least a month option, United Health Group is also on Tuesday. This is a big company. This is $238 billion. I'm assuming it's kind of health insurance. So yeah, of course, it's been very volatile. If you look at the earnings, it's not, it doesn't really pay that well for earnings. Oh, this one was a nice one. So, I don't know. It's already so low. But, you know what? I'll play it for fun. Might as well. See if I can make some coin off it. But I don't know. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm going to play. But my members will know if I do a call option or a put option. That's for sure. First Republic Bank. First Republic Bank is a bank. It's going to be reporting on Tuesday. And if you look at the earnings, it's kind of dead too. Banks are kind of boring. This one was a good one on a put option. It's probably, I mean, if I was to play it, I'd probably put like a a long-term put option on it. So, you know, that's what I'd probably do if I was to play First Republic Bank. I'd probably put a long-term put option on it because I think it's going to make new lows. Yeah, I definitely think it's going to make new lows. So that's what I think. I'd probably put a long-term put option on it. Delta Airline, also on a Tuesday. Market cap $33 billion. This stock is a moneymaker, kind of, because look at the October 11th. Okay, so you would have made a nice bounce play if you played it on October 11th, like a week option, maybe 2 weeks option. You would have made a nice coin. This one's also good. It nice call one. This one was another. It seems like most of the earnings are like calls. Oh, this one is this one's a call. This one's a put. This one's a call. This one was dead. No, this one's a put. Delta Airlines is definitely a company that will make you either lose you all your money or make you all your money. So yeah, it's interesting. It's an interesting one. Man, if I went bear mode on stocks, I think, and if I was correct and we are having a stock market crash, I could probably make so much money. Just saying. SPY. Oh wait, I don't know why I have SPY up here. SPY doesn't have earnings today. I don't think so. See what? Ooh, SPY pays a good dividend. 1.435 per share. If I own like 10 stocks, they pay me $15. If I own 10 shares of SPY, they pay me $15 in dividends. That is pretty good money, in my opinion. Unless it's $1.43 per year and not per quarter. Dividend frequency. So this could be a whole year. I'm not too sure. Anyways, let's see, what's this one? 0.35. That actually might be a quarter. SPY pays really good dividends. That's crazy. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.